Hello friends, welcome back. Once again, after a long time, I'm here and I'm going to build this inventory management system as I promised in my previous video. And now from today, I'm going to build this inventory management system. So let me give you the brief overview of this inventory system, what this can do. And in my previous video, I already shown you. So this is for those who is first time here. So here, what we can do, we can add category, and we can also specify the parent category if it is not a root, and we can specify brands. We can have pagination, or we can add brands, as well as we can manage products. There is a list of products and there is stock, how much available in our database. This is the thing active, and now this is not working, but in the when we will start building, then we will work on it. And we can do the next page, second page, first page, and the previous in this way. And we can place orders, new orders. So here we can save invoices in our database, as well as we can print invoices in the form of PDF. And can add multiple products if you want. Similar way, we can remove, and whenever we choose a product, let's say we will get the quantity, how much we have available in our database. So if we choose more than that, then we'll get an error. If we choose less, so we'll get not error. But if we choose more products, such as, oh sorry, we don't have this much quantity, so we have to aware of that. And let's say, oh my god, 5. Another product is Lenovo laptop, 3. And Samsung Galaxy, say 4. So notice the quantity, this is 40,000. We will see this will decrement in our database. So the thing is already calculated, we don't need to do hard effort. And discount, if you want, you can give, let's say 100 discount. And paid amount, let's do the full payment. Cash, okay, cash is better option. Order. Now in this moment, everything is saved in our database, and now we can print our invoice. The invoice is ready, right? We can give this invoice to the customer. And I forget to put the name, and I haven't given any validation, so we will take care of this. And some of you having problem in registration, so you can also download this inventory system here. Most of you, I think, already downloaded this inventory system, and few those who are facing problem in this inventory system, like most of you getting problems in registration. So I find out the problem and I solve it, and I re-uploaded the entire inventory system, so you can download it again. And I also suggest you to download okay, you can download, but instead of watching only videos, just follow all the steps and type all the code by yourself. That will help you to improve your knowledge as well as coding skills. So this is a better way to do coding. And what software we are going to use? So first of all, XAMPP. I'm going to use XAMPP, and I don't need to tell my viewers because they know I always use XAMPP in a localhost environment. But with XAMPP, we can also have an option of Perl, but I'm going to use XAMPP, right? And you can download. It is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. So you can, after downloading, I already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. Just download. It's very simple. After downloading, you will have a setup file, and just do next, and finish. Done. Then after that, you will have a XAMPP folder in your. If you're using Windows, you will have C drive. In C drive, will have XAMPP folder, right? Inside that, you will have HT docs folder, right? Okay, later I will tell you. And for interface, I'm going to use Bootstrap, and Bootstrap version 4, right? So if you're not familiar with Bootstrap, don't fear, because it's just a framework. We're going to pick the component from this website, we will pick the component from this website and paste in our text editor, just nothing. And this is a beta version, so this is not final version. They will release the final version, but I don't know when they will release. This is the testing version. Actually, this beta version is for audience testing. So audience are testing. Whenever they find the bugs or errors, they will report to the official, in this website, right? Okay, invoice bill, and just go back. And the 5 quantity we have taken. So let's home, and you will see here manage, and Photoshop CS 40,000. Now this is 39,995, right? We can, if you want, we can disable this this product Photoshop CSN by clicking on this button. We can also remove this item. We can edit the quantity. In this way it is working all. And those who are facing problem in registration, they told me they are getting problem in registration. Now this is the, let's do the registration. It's working very fine. Okay, more read email.com and password. Admin register. Now you can see your account is created successfully. Now you can log in. So it's working fine. Let's log in. Okay, invalid password. Let's give it again. Login. Fine. Login is done. File, and this is the date when he logged in, and he's logged in as an admin. This is a clock API. We can place new orders. We can add products. We can add brands. So the major things, whatever required in an inventory system, we have all those things in this application. So let's anything remaining. So you can get the project from here and follow the videos. So let me close this, and this is a bootstrap. Let's get started. And what we can do whenever we require things, let's say we required the components, just click on components, right? So here we have all the components. We will just pick the components, and let's say we need a form. We will have forms, right? This is a form, and all kinds of input we have here. In this way we will take the component from here and paste in our text here. I'm not going to write everything forms, but I will write everything in logical way. So so this is the bootstrap, and we are going to use jQuery. So you can get the jQuery latest version, jQuery CDN. Just search jQuery CDN, and you can have the jQuery official website, jcode.jquery.com, and you can also get it from W3 Schools. Here you can have two options, the one from Microsoft and another one from Google. So they are using those servers. The Google CDN is from ajax.googleapis.com, and Microsoft CDN is ajax.asp any test CDN. So we'll use Google CDN, right? So this is the thing. We'll take it from here, and from Bootstrap getting started. So here we have the first template, right? This is the start template, right? So we required only this thing, or if you want, we can skip, right? Now this is the most important line, viewport, that makes your application responsive. So this line should be in our application, right? And let me tell you the relationship in database. the most important thing. So this is the normal brands table, right? And brand status will tell us about the status of brand, the brand is active or not. Category the same way. This is the category. We have category ID, parent category, and category name, and tell me the status, is it available or not. And parent category, so this is actually where there is a recursive relationship, right? So we have few root categories, let's say electronics, software, and gadgets. And above these three categories we have subcategories: mobile phone, editing software, antivirus software, and we can have more categories. And we are using the same ID, let's say, as you can see, the mobile phone, right? So its own ID is 4, but parent category is 1. It's because mobile phone belongs to the electronics, and electronics ID is 1. That's why here is 1. Same way, antivirus, you can see its own ID is 6, and antivirus belongs to the software category, and software category ID is 2 here. That's why here is parent is 2. So there is a recursive relationship. It's all about database. If you have subject database, then you can know about it. And we have invoice and invoice details. So here we can see there is no name. It's because we haven't placed in the last time when we make invoice, we didn't place a name. That's why there is no name. So we have to validate this condition. Sorry for that. We have the total amount, the all products, subtotal, GST tax, discount, net total, and paid amount, full payment, due 0, cash payment. And we have each invoice detail. Let's say invoice number is 31, right? So if we go in invoice details, so invoice number 31 purchased 3 products, and ID of those products are 5, 4, 6. So in this way we can track everything. And we have products, so product ID, product name, product brand, this is a foreign key, belongs to the brand table. Product category, this is also foreign key, belongs to the category table. Price, quantity, when it added date, status, right? And users, so the users are username, ID, password. There is nothing important, like user type. 1 represents admin, and register date, when he registered first time, and last login tell us the last login, right? Notes, for forget password or any kind of verification, we will store verification key, code, and if required anything, we will store in notes. And in invoice, so to get the complete, this is the invoice detail, right? How much amount the person paid. And from invoice number, so this invoice number is actually foreign key in invoice details. So this invoice number is foreign key, and all the products details we have, this is the ID of the product. So from this ID we can get the name of product. So here we are using we use different kinds of SQL queries, such as inner join, left join, to do this operation, to get the records in one place, right? And if I'm boring you, you can please comment. I will try to do something in a different way. So okay, from next video we will start from the structure. So this, just create a new file. All right, next video.